Any pain expectations? Or?
Generally, it's like, if you have a stiff muscle and I press on a stiff muscle, that can be kind of uncomfortable, but it's generally not more than that.
Okay.
Generally, people will feel almost a relief of tension during the process. So we start in the mid-back here. Maybe take a nice deep breath in. That's it. And we'll follow through. There, just like that. So you felt good.
Nice.
Very lowest part of the spine, that disc that we're seeing the most dramatic change. Good. Great. Good. And then one more time on. Right. Oh, there, just like that. So you felt